Hello guys. Just want to show you what I'm doing right now. I'm preparing, can't speak, preparing for the weekend. We get ready to plant corn down here in South Georgia. Spring's right around the corner, so it's time to get ready to plant corn. So I just want to show y'all what I'm doing right now. So let's walk around and show you this planters we got. This a 7300 set planters. You see 7300 planters, 6 rows. And what I'm doing, I will show y'all in a minute. It's just kind of hard for me to do and hold this phone up, so I'm gonna sit y'all down for a minute and y'all just watch what I'm doing. It might be a little hard to see what I'm doing. I might block the view a little bit, but hey, don't worry about it. Don't worry. What I did, I took the hopper off the planter, which is this is the hopper. This is the hopper. This is what holds the seeds in. And what I'm doing right here on the bottom is the way I'll show you like a closer video of what it is. So sorry about that. This right here is a plate. It's a plate where the seeds is. Planters are operated off air systems. It's ran off by hydraulics, and that's what produces air. So this right here, when it's basically like it's like a suction. It creates suction. So this was what, and air is basically air has been like sucked onto this plate, which on the back side of this plate is where the seed will fall down to like a little storage area, and this plate will spin, and while it's spinning, and the air that's produced into here will make seed suction onto the plate. So, and that's how they pick up seeds and plant it into the dirt. So, let me take this apart, and I'm changing the plates from a cotton plate to a corn plate. There's different types of plates you can install into planters. Well, for John Deere's, I don't know about any other planters out there. But John Deere, they make different types of plates for different types of seed. Each type of seed is a different size. It can be big, it can be real tiny. So each crop, different types of crops produce different types of. I can't speak. Each crop has its own specific size seed. And whatever you want to plant, you gotta make sure you have the right plate for it. I'll take this plate off and I'll show you the different size of the holes on the plate for the cotton seed compared to corn. So give me 1 minute. Alrighty. It might be kind of hard to tell by the video, but you see the dimples in this plate, and you see the holes. See, See the dimples, the crater in the plates? That's what captures the seed and makes it suction into the hole, and it goes to a certain spot, and there's brushes on one side of the plate, and it just brushes the seed off, so it drops down, so it's been dropped into the ground. And this is the cotton seed, cotton plate. This right here is a corn plate. You see the different size holes. It's bigger. The holes are a little bit bigger, not much bigger. And if you notice, right here, I'll show you again, the cotton plate. You see how many rows it's got? 1, 2 rows, 1, 2 rows. And how many rows that got? It's got 1 row. Different, like I said, different seeds, different crops may require more seed droppings per foot, or less seed per foot. Cotton seed you want to be, I can't remember, I think it's like 13 seeds per foot, so you get more yield out of that seed. Where if you do corn, it might be less than that. It may be 6 or 7 seeds per foot. It all depends on how much spacing you want to put between each seed. But yeah, that's cotton. It's the corn seed. You see the difference. The dimples are deeper, and the holes a little bit bigger, not much bigger. But the only difference is the dimples are deeper. So the seed is bigger. Where this cotton seed, is not. Here, I'm not gonna show you an example for cotton seed. I don't know how hard it'd be to show you this, but I don't know if it's gonna focus or not. I don't know if it's gonna focus or not. Well, anyways, that's the cotton seed. You see, it's real small. I don't have the corn seed yet, because we ain't picked up the corn seed up yet, but it just shows you there's different types of seeds out there. Go to your local feed store and just look at the different types of seed for different crops. You'll see the difference in size of seed. Small, big, and medium. So let me finish putting these on so I don't get in trouble with my dad. He want to get this done tonight so we can start planting in the morning. So I just want to show you what's the difference in plates, corn and cotton, corn. So yeah, then finish up. When you're chasing out plates to different types of crop seed, make sure you clean out the hopper real good with the extra leftover seed, so you won't be planting cotton corn at the same time. Just make sure it's all cleaned out and it's ready for the next crop seed. Just make sure it's all clean and ready to go. So you want to tear it back down and do again, because all you're doing is just wasting time, and wasting time is losing money. I done got all that hopper cleaned out good. Now it's time to put this bad boy in. After this one, got one more. It's done. And putting the hoppers on, it's real simple. Just put it in, lock it in place, and then put this little lock thing on, so it's not bouncing around. I'll show y'all on the last hopper how to remove it and everything. So if y'all, just a little education video. So you see, I don't know if you ever see it, but you see that little lock just down here. Just undo it. And let's see if I can get it to stay. Here we go. Now I do pick up the back end up like this, slide it out a little bit. You see these right here? It's got hooks. There's a hooks onto this bolt. And then pull it out slightly, and you got this hose right here. This is the hose that runs air into what it's it suctions air. It's like a suction, so it suctions the seed to the plate. Undo the hose and just pull it out. Oops, sorry about that. Now back to the old ways. I don't think I can get it in a different view. I don't know if I can be able to see that or not. Let's see. Of course, got the hydraulic freaking unit here in the way. Let's see here. I'm trying to get y'all the best view that's possible. Let's see here. There we go. Maybe give you like a closer view of this, hopefully. And just redo this little rubber grommet right here so it's holding up this part on good. Alright, sliding. And then there's your plate again. There it is. And then just remove it. Sometimes you might have to use the hammer. Just loosen it up. But not too much, you'll break it. Remove it. Replace it with the plate that you're going to use. But before you do that, remember what I said? Before you put a plate on it, what do you do? What do you do? That's right. Clean the hopper out real good with the old leftover seed. Get all that gunk and dirt and everything out of there. Make sure you put it on right. Make sure you're facing it the right directions. You want where the seed's gonna be captured on the back side. So this side right here, let's see if I can get sunlight on it. Alright, see, you get the sunlight on the flat side facing you. And then lock it in place. Put your cover back on. Lock it back up. And ta-da! It is back on. Now, time to put the hopper back on. Let's see if I can put y'all in the exact same spot. It probably ain't gonna do right. was just luck getting it on, just getting it stay put just right there. That was just luck. Oh, there it is. Alright, before you put it back, before you put it on, remember, you gotta put that air hose back on, or it won't function right. You'll be wondering why it ain't working right. Make sure it's sitting on flat. Make sure there ain't nothing in the way. Make sure there's nothing in the way that's keeping it from sitting down flat. So, but yeah, that's pretty much what we do when we want to change out different crops. See, real simple, real easy. That only took me 15 minutes. 15 minutes, or roughly 30 minutes. 30 minutes from the time I got started and done. I was making videos, so it took a little longer. But if I'm not making a video, it might took me 15 minutes, if that. But I just want to give y'all a little lesson, just a little video about the farm life. What I do when I'm not driving trucks. This is what I do when I'm not driving trucks. I'm working on the farm. Just staying busy. That's all I do, is just stay busy. But now that's all done. Now just wait on Daddy to get the dirt. Wait on Daddy to get the dirt ready for us to plant. And once he gets the dirt ready to plant, then sorry, the sunlight is just beaming in every direction. This is a killer. But once he gets the dirt ready, we'll be planting in the morning. Depends on how much he can get done, the dot and all. So yeah, that's just a little how-to video. Time to change planter plates out. It's changed them for different plates, but it's just real simple. It's not hard at all. So yeah, you know, if y'all want to know what I'm sitting on my Ranger. Y'all want to know what the Ranger is? It's a Polaris Ranger. It's a Polaris Ranger. Sun beaming boy. Just a little two-seater. Ain't nothing special. It's a Polaris Ranger XP 900. Yes. So I'll see y'all in this video. Make sure you like the video, comment below, subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell, and when you hit the notification bell, it lets you know when I update new videos or put out new videos. It just gives you an alert. Hey, Austin Norton's put a new video out. Check it out. So that's what the notification bell is about. So just make sure you subscribe. And if you want to have some videos like this, some more videos like this, just let me know. This channel will be mainly just about me. Like I said in the last video, it's just gonna be about me living through my life. So, and it'll be about giving y'all content about trucking, farming, anything about me, then it's gonna be on here. So I'll see y'all in this video. Peace.